Hey, Bachka.
Hey, what's up, man?
How are you, bro?
Good.
Excellent. I see you gearing up for some serious action, eh?
Yeah.
You're about to go jump out of an airplane, buddy.
Yes, I will.
How are you feeling about that?
So nervous.
Nervous. Show us the hand. Let's see how the nerves are doing.
Like, taller than me, man.
It's a beautiful day, bro. You're going to have an awesome skydive.
Alright, hopefully.
Yeah. Give me 5. See you at the airplane.
Alright, see you then.
Cool. There you go, buddy.
How you doing, okay? Good, it's awesome. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, cool. Oh, there you go. What? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's good. I feel more sense than riding motorcycle, man. More safe? Motorcycle. You feel more safe on the motorcycle? Yeah, more safe. I feel more safe in here. It's way more dangerous. That's crazy.
Hey, Vashka. How was that, buddy?
Awesome, man.
Let me help you up here, bro. Congratulations, man. Cool skydive, bro.
More fun than
Give me 5.